Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Honor X5B off to avoid shorting contacts, then find the SIM tray on the handset side. Insert the eject tool straight into the small hole and press firmly until the tray pops. If you don't have the tool, a straightened paperclip works. Once the tray is out, make sure you're working on a stable, well-lit surface so you can see the tiny SIM slots and avoid bending the cards. Now align the 2 nano SIM cards with the tray outlines, contacts facing down and not overlapping. Slot 1 is typically the primary line for cellular data, and slot 2 is secondary. Gently set each SIM into its respective recess so it sits flush. Do not force it. If your Honor X5B uses a shared slot for micro SD, decide whether you need storage or dual SIM. Once both cards are seated correctly, you're ready to return the tray. Carefully push the tray back into the phone until it sits flush. Once sealed, power the device on and wait for the system to recognize both networks. Go to Settings, then SIM Cards and Mobile Network to enable or name each SIM and choose Data and Roaming Preferences. If one SIM doesn't register, turn the phone off and reseat that card, or swap slots to rule out a faulty SIM. Cleaning contacts with a soft, dry
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.